kupatikana kwa street tena. We have come here because we want the rights of the teachers of JSS to be respected. We have come out to give the government a notice that whatever that was agreed in the court ruling, let it be implemented to the letter. We will not allow where the government wants to implement it partially. All those teachers who are serving as intern, we want all of them to be confirmed, permanent and pensionable, yes, and the compensation to be done forthwith. Yes. Without having partial that this one has served 2 years, this one has served 1 year, all of them this year, if the government is serious and want this education in CPC to go on, we want them to obey the court ruling. Yes. And that's why we're here. We'll be in the streets today, we'll be here tomorrow, we'll be here the other day, until the cries of these JSS teachers is heard. Yeah.
Atuendi shule. Atuendi.
Atogotewa iga. Abarimu baito ba junior secondary school sase kisi account rero barumbekanire. Bagotewa iga. Eserikali kibesa yata kereko bakana. Ebakane bonsi pi nande bakonfirm permanent and pensionable. Bari okora konda. Basomete university bagakora. Bakaba registered na Teacher Service Commission. Bono bari we train gokora gas. Eserikali ekole bwango ebakonfirm bonsi alieba soma agenda school cheito. Tunataka kuwa na masomo tayo. Agenda school. Esauli abalimu abe koti njate bete babe employed permanent and pensionable. Anye serikali diriko move gokora igo. Amba akora abalimu aba school mpaka amasira yabo abere taken care of.
Power. JSS representative. We have 3 critical informations to pass across. One, information number 1. We are on the streets, hatuko darasani. The data people are receiving at the HOWISE wanatuma tuko present darasani ni uongo. Watoto shuleni hawafunzwi, walimu wako barabarani. Information number 2, to our esteemed elder, NAT Secretary OU. We love your support, but be very clear. Have facts when you are going to speak there. We want us to be employed on permanent and pensionable. Hayo mambo yako ya kusema ati tupewe contract nzuri, hapana. Hayo mambo yako mengine ya kusema ati sisi mkakati huko wa kuemploy walimu 26,000, we can't listen to that. Hayo mambo ya kusema ati walimu warudi darasani hadi Januari, haturudi darasani. Kitu ambacho kinatoa darasani ni barua ya PNP. Hiyo ndio itatoa darasani, be it now, be it tomorrow, tukipewa tunaingia, but we are not going minus that paper. Information number 3. MPs should join us. Ama tunafikiria nyinyi ndio watu mnaenda kupewa barua zetu, mnakuja kutuuzia hapa vijijini. Join us in the streets, document us in the bill. Hakikisha kuwa walimu 46,000 wote wanaingia ndani. Hatutaki kusikiza. You can't divide people. We are not children of a lesser God. Internship is illegal. We have to be confirmed into permanent and pensionable. Moguls power! Power! Shakahola haturudi yo! Shakahola haturudi yo!
My name is Dorcas. I'm a JSS teacher and I'm here to say that we are not going to class unless we have our PNP letters in our pockets. Children are not being taught, and I'm calling upon the parents who have children in junior secondary to join us in the streets so that we may work together, fight together for better terms. Aturudi shuleni kufunza na 17,000. We are not trainees, we are graduates. Tumefunza TOS, tumepata experience enough. Sahi hakuna experience tunatafuta. We are not looking for any experience.
Mkono wapi? Mimi mwalimu wa JSS, ninaapa ya kwamba sirudi shuleni, sitarudi shuleni mpaka nipewe barua yangu ya PhD. Mungu nisaidie.
Shuleni haturudi.